Guangzhou Garden Expo. Let's go.
Hello. Yay.
Tell us how to make a beautiful fresh flower.
Shift of colors represents the shift of our inner emotions.
It is really great to see the masterpiece of different countries to put the energy and a lot of information just in flowers and different structures.
This one is 2009 and so on. So each one represents a year of the national game.
I've noticed a lot of green areas. You can see big, huge buildings, but at the same time, green everywhere. And I really like this mix of modernity and nature still within the city. I was really impressed by the fact that actually Guangzhou is trying kind of his best to be the most ecological possible.